Here we are at Perry KOA. Hello. This nice young man is going to check. Oh, another beautiful girl. We are in site C1 and they are back to back. And I really hate this configuration. I am way too close to the other rig here. I pulled over as much as I can without my steps being in the grass. Again, I don't like this configuration. Okay, we've got water in, water out. And from what I've driven through, this is the only paved site. It's leveled left and right, so that's nice. All the utilities are on one side. Their water hose, their water leaks. I put silicone tape around it and it's still leaking. So, not much more I can do. I've done what I can. We did book a patio site, so it's really nice and large, but I never use it. I only book patio sites because they're a lot longer, and I will pay the extra money so I can get a longer site. I don't have a basement, so everything I have to set up and tear down is in the back of my truck. So that's why I like the longer sites. And again, it is leveled left and right. It's a really nice patio area, except for the other side where the utilities are. Oh, and I am off the main highway here, but I don't really hear a traffic noise. The end sites are back to back or side to side. Those other sites look like they're not back to back. Right now, would I stay here again? The answer would be no. I would not stay here again because I don't like same utility side. They're too freaking close to the other rig. I actually do not understand why anyone would want to be that close to their neighbor. So far I'm liking this RV site park because there are no trees. Okay, we are in Gulfport, Mississippi. Ooh. This is actually very disappointing. I just put trash out here again, and now I've had, according to their own policy, you just leave it at the end of your driveway and they will come pick it up. So I've got 3 bags here. This first bag was 2 days ago. Second bag was from yesterday. Third bag's from today. So I've had garbage sitting out here overnight for 2 nights now, and they have not come to pick it up. I do know the other side of those trees are railroad tracks, and I don't know what's beyond that. But I'm surprised there haven't been wild creatures coming by and rummaging through my trash, because there is food in there. But this KOA park is not very observant. There is litter, and I haven't picked it up because it's been raining. There's litter on this side of the greenbelt, and also plastic bits and pieces of litter on this side of the greenbelt. It's a nice park. From a distance it looks really nice. However, you tune in, look very closely, there's bits and pieces of litter, and they're not cleaning it up. The park is lovely. It's just litter, bits and pieces of litter, and they don't pick up garbage. I did tell one of the restaurant breakfast people to come by, who came by in their little golf cart, about it. Let's see if they do anything. So again, 2 nights already. This is the 3rd day regarding trash not being picked up. They're supposed to pick it up and bring it to their dumpster, not just put it in a receptacle. Unbelievable. Do you need me to hitch it up?
Oh, no, sir. No, I just need to get a picture of this tag and everything like that.
Oh, okay.
And other than that, we should be good.
I'm not interested in you selling me. I'm just interested in you replacing the damn thing.
Yes, sir. That's
taking
all,
the old one away.
Look, that's all I was doing. I was getting a picture so we can have the VIN of the old one. Sir.
Okay.
Might have to order another one. I'm not sure if we have one in stock like that.
Yeah, the 5,000 one.
5,000 pounds.
Yeah, all right.
I don't care if it doesn't have to be the same model.
It's got to be the same.
As
5,000
long
pounds.
as it's the profile is thin enough where I can open my tailgate without hitting it.
Forward. Yes, sir.
That's why I had it put sideways. What do you want me to sign?
All right, right here. This is just a service call 50, the labor, and then we're going to get the parts on there just for you. So
okay, you want me to pay you now, later?
No, sir. We're going to wait till the parts get here, and then I'll get them to call you. I'm pretty sure they have your number.
I leave Saturday morning.
All right, we should be able to have it in. I think the latest is 2 days.
2 days.
But 2 days.
Right next to the freeway. That is loud. Okay, here we are at Lafayette KOA, Lafayette, Louisiana. Here for 3 nights, and on Monday we have rotating tires for Longhorn, the truck. Here we are at site 315. They call this the newer area of the park, and it does look brand new. It's newly paved. There's no cracks. Well, there's a few cracks in this cement. That looks like it's normal wear and tear. Looks like it maybe 5, 7 years. All right, we got 50 amps, water in, water out. The site is leveled left and right, and it looks like it's pretty much leveled front and back also. All right, here's the thing though. For this particular site, the sewer is line of sight along with everyone else. However, it's all the way in the front. And utilities is where it should be. This is a 15-foot rhino hose. And this is another 15-foot rhino hose. Okay, tip for anyone who hasn't done it yet. Get Airstream or whoever your upgrader is to put another sewer pipe in. They can put another one right next to your existing one. I did this when we came back from Alaska, our first caravan, when I was 2 feet short in Homer Spit connecting my sewer. So I bought a little sewer hose, used it for that one RV site, and then threw it out. So now I carry a 15-foot one that I call working, and the other one I call backup, as you can see here. So the backup becomes the working when I get a new one every year, because it just starts to stink. So but get another, have them put another one in, so that way you've got 2 sewer lines that will be 30 feet long. So again, that's 15 feet all stretched out, and the other one is not stretched out, but it is also a 15-footer. But it's here just in case of situations like this. Okay, again, 50 amps. So far, power's good. Leveled left and right. And it looks like front and back also. This is what they're calling the newer part of the park. There are no trees. Fabulous. Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. There is a big lake in the middle of the park here. Well, I guess you can go fishing. I'll walk by it later. Not to set up the inside. Okay, we're eating here today at Freeway. It's literally a mile away from the RV park. I did get a text from a friend who asked me how I can go out and eat by myself in these restaurants. Well, I've never had a problem eating by myself in a restaurant. Ever since Walter has been working, I've kind of been forced to eat out on my own. And especially since he flies back and forth, I eat out by myself all the time. No problem with it. I like eating in restaurants. I grew up eating in restaurants. Right, here we are. I ordered a smothered steak with rice and steak and some sort of brown sauce. Half a dozen oysters in a half shell, and a dinner salad with ranch. So you're gonna watch me eat alone. Well, all right, we are having the beef over rice, oysters in a half shell, salad, and sweet tea.